Okay, guys, just a very quick one right here, guys, on the Billion Network Supermask minting. All right, so the minting has gone live since October 6th, and in just a couple of hours right now, the minting is going to be over. So if you have any interest of minting, this is the right time and probably the last opportunity for you to mint the Supermask NFT. So I'll be explaining everything you need to know right now concerning this. So over here, guys, they made the announcement right here saying that you only have 7 hours before the minting is over. You can see it right here. Okay, so over here you can see to be able to mint this, it is totally easy. So I'm actually making this video because someone asked for it, so that's why I'm making this video, so that all of you can be on track. Okay, so I believe there are a lot of people out there who still find it a kind of difficult in one way or the other. So right now, going back to how we can be able to mint this, like I said, it is very simple. So what you need to do to be able to mint the Supermask NFT is to simply go ahead and click on this link right here. So you can see this link right here. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, so once you click on the link, you are going to be taken straight to the OpenSea market where you can be able to mint the Billion Network Supermask. All right, so one thing about this Supermask is that there is no way that they say that it is mandatory for the airdrop. I've never seen it personally. So if you want to mint this Supermask NFT, you are minting it at your own will. So the only thing that I think this may actually affect your allocation, that is if you would have gotten, for example, 500, it will make you get maybe 400. So but I've never seen anywhere where they say that it is a must for you to mint the NFT before you qualify for the airdrop. All right, so once you are brought right here on this page, where then you scroll down, you are going to be seeing the minting button right here. Okay, so you can only mint one NFT on one wallet. So scrolling down right here, you can see this is actually the minting schedule right here. Over here they say that they have the free minting right here, which is totally free right here. So but not everyone was eligible for this one. Okay, so we have the discount one, which will cost you 208 pool. All right, but not everyone was eligible for it. Okay, so right now coming down right here, we have this one right here that will cost you 303 pool, but not everyone was eligible for it. Pulling down, you can see this is where it went public. All right, so everyone is eligible to mint this one right here, but it came with a cost of 303 pool. This should be around $75 or thereabout. You can see I'm eligible for this one, and I believe a lot of people out there also are eligible to mint this one, which is totally public. Okay, so 303 poll should be equivalent to around $72 right here, as they specified it right here. So simply click on this button to mint it. All right, but before you mint it, you need to make sure that your wallet is connected already, okay, before you can then be able to mint it. So once you click on the link on the video description, it is going to be bringing you right to this page. Then you connect your wallet, then you go ahead and mint it. So if you are minting this, you are doing it totally at your own accord. This video is not a financial advice or in any way should be considered a financial advice. So personally, I'm not doing this. I will tell you the truth, I'm not doing this, and I believe it is not going to make me ineligible for the airdrop. All right, so as an airdrop hunter, I'm okay with whatever they give to me, and I don't think I'm gonna be risking $72 for this, though like at the end of the run, those who risked it may get something way better. That is, it will give them an edge. They will have a better advantage over those that didn't mint it. So if you are doing it, make sure you are doing it at your own accord. If you agree to do it, just do it at your own risk. Then whatever fund that you are using to do it, let it be a fund that you won't be sad if you didn't get back. All right, so this is basically all I have to say about the Billion Network Supermask NFT minting. Remember, this is going to be ending in the next couple of hours, so I'm going to be posting this video right now so that you guys can see it as early as possible. All right, so this is all you need to know right now concerning the NFT. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do well to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to share this video to your friends and join our tone giveaway by simply subscribing, liking the video, commenting and sharing the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next update.